Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Faculty High Secondary School. Today we will learn about the first chapter of Business Studies of class 12. The name of the chapter is Nature and Significance of Management. Before starting the explanation of the entire chapter, I would like all of you to consider that the topics which are given in your textbook all are not required. According to the CBSE guidelines, these are the topics which are required to be covered for your board examinations. The topics are concept of management, objectives of management, management as art, science and profession, levels of management, functions of management, coordination, the essence of management. These are the topics which are required. Rest which are given are not required to be studied. So, we will start with the concept of management. The very common definition which is used in order to explain what management is this. Management is the process of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently. Now what I have done, I have underlined some very important words which are used in order to explain the concept of management. To understand these words are very important. The reason is, for explanation, when you will sit for exam and when you'll explain any concept from the subject business studies, you can utilize these terms to explain your answer well. That is why I have underlined them. These terms are process, things, others, effectively and efficiently. In order to know these terms, what they mean and how they are applicable and where they are applicable, one thing must be added is that when we use the term management, management is not a term or a concept which is applied only in business organization. Management is applied everywhere, or rather I should say that management exists everywhere. When I say everywhere, this everywhere means it exists in business organization, it exists in non-profit organization like government hospitals, schools which are being set up by the government for the welfare of the society. Very commonly, if I say management exists everywhere, then I can also say that for your easy understanding, management is applicable at your home as well. Your mother, she prepares your tiffin, she gets your uniform ready so that you can reach school on time. Then when you go for your tutorials, you can go there on time without wasting any kind of time or energy. That's why she keeps everything ready. Even this is called management. So management, without it, no one can even think of moving an organization or any place effectively and efficiently. A few companies, if I name, say for example Reliance, Tata, Wipro, Infosys, they have reached the zenith in their progress chart and they are also market leaders. They are doing so and they are maintaining their position because they have applied management and are very strongly working on it. Now, back to the definition. Management is the process of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently. As I said, that these terms which are used for defining the concept, process, things, others effectively and efficiently, I have pointed out these terms, as you can see, by using the bullets under the definition. For process, we also use the term function. For things, activities, others denotes human resource, and then effectively and efficiently. Now I'll explain what these terms means in the business language, or how you can apply for explaining different concepts related to management. Process. When we say process actually means a series of steps which helps to complete a task. Instead of process, we use the term function also to define how management is actually working in different organizations. So management works by way of including these very 5 important functions. They are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Without these functions, management is a big failure. Nothing can be managed. Next, the term which is used is things. Management is a process which helps in getting things done. Now, what are these things? These things are actually activities in every organization. If it is a school or a business organization or hospital or any other organization, some activities are involved. If these activities are not managed well, the goals cannot be achieved. For example, if the timing of the classes are not managed, if the timing of break time is not managed, the whole school will be in a chaotic situation. So these activities are managed in order to get the things done correctly. After that, the term which I have asked all of you to give due importance is others. This others means the human resource. Management is a process of getting things done through others. Who are these others? These others are the human resources who work in an organization. It is said that human resource is the most important asset of any organization. No matter how sophisticated machine an organization have or install the latest technology, if the human resource is not capable enough, then everything will go in vain. So managing human resource, providing them training, enhancing their skills so that they work well for achievement of the goals. The next term is effectively. Very important term. Effectively. You just not required to get the work done somehow. You have to get the work done within the given time period, within the stipulated time. It is called effectively. And as we know, there is a phrase also used for this, that in business, time is money. If you are losing time, if you are going or running out of time, you lose. You lose a market opportunity. So effectively, in the definition, it means to complete the task within given time period. Last but not the least, the term efficiently. Efficiently means to complete the task with minimum cost, that means with minimum wastage, or to try not to waste anything. Then only how the goals are achieved. Not only achieved, but also profit is earned at a very high margin. So these are the terms which are used in order to explain the term management. I am repeating the definition. Management is the process of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently. On the basis of what I have explained, I have a question for all of you. Let's see who can answer. The question is, if a manager is able to achieve the target of production of 5,000 units but at a higher cost, is he efficient or effective? Let's see how many of you can answer the question. Until then, wait for the next class.